This is a solo how-to for the Woogie. We're going to look at the tenor and alto solos at the end of the solo section. First, I'm going to change my keys. So I'm going to look at the tenor in C, but the alto will be in G. So I'm going to use numbers to replace a lot of these chords, so don't worry. So this is happening in C and in G, although your chords might differ from what I see, but this is concert. So it's how it sounds. This is 12 measures, and it's almost a blues. It's a jazzed up blues version of the blues. So first we have a C, and usually for this C you could play a C6. You could use your amp scale, which is 1, 2, flat 3, 3, 5, flat 6, 6, 1. Then we have a 2, 5, 1. This 2, 5, 1 is different. We don't have minor 7 to dominant 7 to major 7. But still, the motion that's happening, it's the same kind of feel, except the notes are different. So be careful. On this D, on this 2, you need to make sure that it's major. This is major, this is major. And then notice here, we don't resolve to a major 7. We resolve to a dominant 7. So it sounds like this. And when you land on this dominant 7, it's okay to blues it up a little bit with that flat 3. And it does what we want it to do. It resolves to the 4. And then we do this nice minor version, and we have a E minor 7. We have an E minor 7, sorry, this would be a 3 minor 7 to 6, 13, which means that it's a 2, 5. That's pretty much all you need to know here. We have a 2, 5. It's just in a different key, and this is in the key of the 2. So it's the key of D for tenor, and for alto, it's going to be the key of 2, 5, so it'll be in A. But we don't resolve to A. We don't resolve to that 2, which is interesting, which throws you off. Listen to how it sounds. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, down. Up. What's nice is we have this surprise chord, and notice that it is a half step above this chord. I know it says 9, but ignore the 9. So what that means is you can arpeggiate and just slide up a half step. Or I know it sounds a little bit funny out of context, so I'll play it in context. Maybe it doesn't help that much, but to me it helps. Right here you have a 2, 5. It's a 2, 5 because you have a minor 7 to a dominant 7, but also the spacing. Looking at these notes, this is the key of C, so this is 2, and this is up to 5. Now to 1. Now this is cool, the ending. Notice that we have sequential chords that all share the same tonality, the same style of chord. These are all dominant 7s. We have C7. Now this is the flat 7, 7, flat 6, 7. Then this is the 5, 7. We go back to the 1. On this, the same thing as this measure to this measure, you're going to want to arpeggiate. It will sound the best. If you can mess the blues, that would sound really cool, but create a modal idea, or an idea. Sorry. It's too long. I'm getting all mixed up. Okay, I'm going to try it differently. We'll do this. Something like that. Sorry. So something like that would work. ending on that 5 is really strong too. Well, happy practicing, and I hope this helps.